Hello all, welcome to Learn with Ritu. Subscribe to my channel and push the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today's video is about paper cut lantern. To make this, you need plain handmade sheet measuring about 24.5 by 6 inches, glue, tracing paper or any translucent paper, cutting mat or glass, tools for paper cutting and paper measuring. Start with paper folding. Fold half-inch tab on the short end of the paper for gluing and pasting. To fold the remaining sheet into 4 equal parts, keep the tab closed and mark the center. Now fold left and right side into the center. Open it and you have 4 equal panels. Now cut 4 pieces of tracing paper to fit across the 4 panels. Now mark the half-inch margin around each panel. Draw a solid shape design inside the margin on each panel. Here I am using a bird cutout to draw. Once you have drawn your design, now cut out the solid shape with a paper knife or an X-Acto knife. For lines, keep thick foam underneath and use any pointed tool to punch holes on it. Do the same for all the lines. Once you are done with cutting and punching, glue the tracing paper on each panel. Apply glue on the tab and paste it inside the lantern. Your paper cut lantern is ready. To brighten up your space, put some battery operated lights in it and keep it on your table. Thank you so much for watching.